Multiplying mixed numbers like these guys is another really important skill. Again, this is one which has been coming up more and more in recent years. So how do we multiply one mixed number, here 1 1/4, by another mixed number, here 3 4/7? Well, just like with adding and subtracting our mixed numbers, the first step is going to be to rewrite these as improper fractions. So we're going to start off by converting 1 1/4 into an improper fraction. To do this, we're going to do our 1 times by our 4. That's going to give us 4. Then we're going to add our numerator of 1. That's going to give us 5. Writing this as an improper fraction, then we have 5/4. Now, what about this 3 4/7? Again, we're going to multiply this number on the left-hand side, the 3, by the denominator. Here it's a 7, so we're going to do 3 times by 7. That is going to give us 21. And then we're going to add the number on the top, the 4. That is going to give us 25 in total. So we have 25/7. Now, how do we multiply one fraction by another? We're going to multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So on the top, we're going to have 5 times by 25. That is going to be 125. And on the bottom, 4 times by 7. That is going to be 28. Now, converting this into a mixed number, we're going to need to work out how many 28s go into 125. So let's start off by writing out our multiples of 28. We're going to have 28. We're going to have 56. We're going to have 84. We're going to have 112. Adding 28 again, what are we going to have? We're going to have 140. So how many times does 28 go into 125? We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 times completely, and then we're going to have a remainder. So it's going to go in 4 times completely. That is going to take us up to 112. So what can we do? We can move this down a little bit. Just give me a second, guys. And then we can write our whole number. That's going to be 4. And that's because it goes in 4 times fully. Then working out our remainder. How many bigger is 125 than 112? It's going to be 13 bigger. So we can write our remainder 13 over our fraction of 28, and we get our answer, guys, 4 13/28. So what did we do? We started off by converting our mixed numbers into improper fractions. From there, we multiplied our improper fractions. We got 125, I should say, over 28. Then we converted that into a mixed number. How many times does 28 go into 125? It goes in 4 times fully, with a remainder of 13, giving us that fraction of 13/28.